bored. I should make some slime, but I don't know how. YouTube, Janaia?
Yes, Madison?
Can you come and bring me the iPad?
Yes.
Let's see. Slime videos. Do you know how to make slime? No. That's why we're looking it up. Who are these people?
It says V4th Power right there.
Oh. Who's V4th Power?
I don't know.
Let's just check out some of their videos.
That's good enough. That's good enough. Okay, more Jordan.
No.
More, no, not that. Baking powder. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my hands. I think it's pretty red.
Ooh, look at this video. We should totally watch it. Cool.
Without this will just get off the. There we go. Nice non-glue slime. Now I'm just spreading it so you can actually see it underneath the microscope. So now it will look like this.
I wanna see. Oh, that's crazy.
That was cool. Mind blown.
Finger light slime. We should totally make that one.
Yeah, let's see how to make it.
Let's see what else they have. What's on it? Ooh, they have one about hands.
And don't take your hand off or move it. Okay, don't move it. Yeah, we're gonna see what it looks like when we grow it. Don't move it. All right, guys, so let's see what your plates look like. Open up your eyes. Open your eyes and look at the plates. Okay, what do you see on your plates?
A whole bunch of jellyfish.
It looks like jellyfish, but it's not. Don't open the plates, okay? That's bacteria.
It looks like a whole bunch of jellyfish. Man, we had to rinse our hand for 30 seconds, lather it up really good, and rinse it again, and use hand sanitizer, which is probably the best way according to the video. You think they're clean now?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Me too.
Let's eat.
Yeah.
I wonder what they're watching. Who's V4th Power? Let's watch a video. quality is awesome. Jalen,
What do you want?
make sure Madison and Janaya doesn't take the iPad.
All right.
Jasmyn, okay, be quiet, Jasmyn.
Jalen,
Oh, snap.
who told you you were touching the iPad? Garden! I have to tell Janaya.
Ooh.
Janaya, I just came to tell you that V4th Power made a video with the Onyx family.
What?
I think I'm gonna subscribe to their channel and like all the videos.
I might as well do that too.
Let's go subscribe.
Yeah.